this is Ravina, and today we are going to talk about one of the core service from AWS, which is Virtual Private Cloud. Today we are going to cover some of the basic agendas like what the Amazon VPC is, the key components, how it works, use cases with a conclusion note. So without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost question, what the Amazon VPC is. Amazon Virtual Private Cloud or VPC is a secure, isolated network within the AWS where you can launch and manage the cloud resources. Basically, there are the thousands and a million of users who use the AWS every day. And of course, we don't want to put our resource at the same place where everyone view and share the resources, right? So Amazon VPC allows you to create your own virtual private cloud where you can run your application smoothly and securely. You have the complete control over your VPC from creation to customization and even deletion. When you go to the Amazon Management Console, we have the one default VPC, and as per our requirement, we can create one or more VPCs. Now, let's talk about some of the key components. Subnet. So it divides the VPC into public and private sections. Route tables control how traffic moves within the VPC. Internet gateway enable the public internet access for public subnets. Net gateways, it allows the private subnet instance to access the internet securely. Security groups, it is the instance level firewalls that controls the inbound and outbound traffic. For the better understanding, let's have an example of a parking lot. This is a parking lot. So border of the parking lot separated from the rest of the world. Let's call it as a Amazon world. So in this example, it is like a virtual private cloud which is separated from the rest of the Amazon world. In this example, there is a gate which controls the traffic flow. So in the Amazon Web Services terminologies, it is the internet gateway which controls the traffic flow of the resources. Now, subnet. So subnets are logically separated sections within your VPC. In this example, we have the two subnets. Let's call it as a left one and a right one. Now, subnet are used for the different purposes. Like we can create our EC2 instance or we can create this S3 buckets here. Subnets which have the route to internet gateway are known as the public subnets, and subnets that don't have the route to internet gateway are known as a private subnet. So private subnet have one more security layer to secure your resources. Now, if a private subnet want to access the internet, how will it gonna work? In this situation, public subnet can have the net gateway, and via this net gateway, private subnet can use the internet. So now let's talk about how it works and how to use the virtual private cloud service. So first we have to create a VPC, then set up the subnets, configure the routings, enable the internet access, apply the security control, and that's it. Now you can connect with the other networks to share your resources. Now here are some of the use cases which includes the hosting the secure websites, running the multi-tier applications, protecting sensitive data. One of the most important benefit of Amazon Virtual Private Cloud is it is highly secure because it isolates your virtual cloud from rest of the AWS world. As we conclude this video, let's have an overview what we discussed in this video. Amazon VPC provides a secure, scalable and customizable cloud networking environment, ensuring the full control over traffic flow and resource isolation. With the features like public and private subnets, security groups and net gateways, it enables business to build highly secure and efficient architectures for various applications. So yes, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye bye.